In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to activate or update your Bnz Xero bank feed efficiently. We'll walk you through each step so you can follow along with ease, ensuring your financial transactions are seamlessly integrated into your Xero accounting system. So, let's dive right in. To start, the very first thing you need to do is log into your Xero account. Head over to the Xero accounting software login page, which you can find using your favorite web browser. Once there, look for the login button. Typically it's located prominently on the page, and you'll need to click on it to proceed. This will direct you to the login portal where you need to enter your credentials. It's important that you enter your email address and password accurately to avoid any login issues. After entering these details, click on the login button to gain access to your Xero dashboard. Once you're in the Xero dashboard, you'll notice several menu options to explore. For our purposes today, you'll want to turn your attention to the accounting tab, which is where you manage various financial accounts. Click on accounting to reveal a drop-down menu. From there, select bank accounts. This is your hub for handling all banking related integrations within Xero. Moving forward, the next screen presents you with a list of existing bank accounts associated with your Xero account. If your intention is to add a new bank account, there's an option here to add bank account. Click this link and Xero will guide you through entering the necessary bank details for integration. However, if you're looking to update an existing account instead, this is also the area where you can do so. Simply find the bank account you need to update from the list. Let's assume you want to update an existing bank account. Select the bank account and you'll see an option labeled Manage Account. Clicking on Manage Account brings you to various configuration settings specifically for that account. Here you can make the necessary updates to the bank feed, ensuring the new data format is recognized by Xero and that your transactions are up to date. This process, although straightforward, is crucial for maintaining integrity in your financial reporting. Regularly updating your bank feeds can save you significant time and effort in future reconciliations. If you encounter any issues or have additional questions, Xero offers support resources that can be very helpful. Thank you for tuning in and following this guide on updating and managing your Bnz Xero bank feed. Execute these steps at your own pace and feel free to revisit the video if you need a refresher. Happy accounting and have a great day.